Video update. We're almost done. The bay has been sanded. We decided on matte black. So got everything out. Del Sol's covered. We're gonna pressure wash the fender wells and go ahead and spray those, so that way the whole front clip can be done at the same time and we can just be done with the front of the car, and then we'll address wiring and other stuff later. But hopefully today, if weather holds off, which it looks pretty decent, we'll get everything painted. So here's to a paint job today. Let's hope. Sorry. Sorry.
Meant to pause it.
We don't need to do the whole thing. We get the idea. And then, alright, so Weston's over there manning the light. So we have officially laid down the color here in the bay. Alright, looks good. Like, Wes is excited, to say the least. Like, finally to get to see some fruits of our labor here. So not only did we spray the bay, but we also did undercoating on the fender well. So there we go. So looking good. Not too shabby. Getting it done very soon. We'll be working on the rest of the body.
And it's gonna look pretty.
It's gonna look great. And then we got to do some stuff to the engine to get it ready to go back in the vehicle. So more coming at some point. I don't know when, but more coming at some point. So we're going to be doing a graphics kit on the DRZ. Probably going to do that over at Import Logic with Hayden, so stay tuned for that. He'll probably post a video on it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again real soon.